Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company with a lot of specialized Google Ads and dedicated managers with me and my team. So I'm here with a new case study regarding Google Ads suspension. For those who don't know, that we work with Google Ads suspensions, Google Merchant Status suspensions, Google Ads disapproval, and Google Ads account setup, audit, and management. So I'm here with a new case study regarding Google Ads account, which is suspended for unacceptable business practice policy. Now, we have to understand the trend. First of all, the account was created back in October. Today, it's 9 July at the time of reading this video. Okay, the account had issues from March onwards, and the account had ads being disapproved, and then suddenly the account went into the suspension, and the suspension was the account has the unacceptable business practice policy. Now, this was a very panic moment for our client, and whenever there is a scenario like this, we do an audit, we do everything over here. So you can see over here that this is one of their website, which has an issues. So what we did was, I'm going to show you quick as well. Okay, this was another, like, this was not an error, but the error was regarding this, that your account violated the unacceptable business practice policy. Now, what we did was, we did a dedicated audit, and you can see over here as well that this is an audit. And if I can show you over here as well, the as we are so far have gaining expertise in sorting out Google ads, Google merchant, Google business profile, and Google ads disapproval. We have created a dedicated 170 plus step checklist, to find out the exact errors through which can be the reasons your account is suspended. Now, we find out the placeholder has issues, and then we find out the robots.txt file was missing. Page speed has some issues as well. There was some grammatical errors as well, and some extra color symbols as well in the website. We also suggested some pages to be created, needs to be created, and then we simultaneously also started discussing with Google regarding the issue. Okay, I'm going to show you as well, one thing as well, that again, it's a team effort as well. And one of my staff member, when it got in touch with Google team, they says that the account is still into the violation, and that your account cannot be restored over here. So again, it takes a patience and dedication. So what we did was, we did a competitor comparison, page to page, word to word, to see. Again, it's requires a lot of patience, and a lot of work from my staff, to figure out where we are wrong over here. We created another audit as well, and then we figured more errors as well. We discussed regarding those as well, and then we had a dedicated discussion with our Google team and our Google dedicated manager to get it restored. And then what happened is that then we got a notification on one of our MCCs that your account is suspended. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on the in front of you guys to show you that the account has started spending. And in case if I move on to the notification, you can see that an account is unsuspended. In case if I do a refresh over here to figure out in case if the account is in unsuspended or not. So this is I refreshed the website in front of you to make sure that nothing is fake, and you can see that your account is unsuspended, your account has been deactivated and is able to run ads again. So yeah, this is another successful case study. Then this was a quick case study. And for those who don't know, that the account is advertiser verified as well. And again, thanks to my team who constantly worked hard to ensure this revival process. Thanks to the client as well and the team as well, who were patient and who were supportive in doing the changes on the website, on the ad copies. We also thoroughly looked on the account for any violations, issues, and then everything when went into the normal. Then we discussed regarding Google's, and we discussed in various on the calls, on email, and we also have a dedicated manager as a Google partner company. So all of the things combined, worked to get the account restored. So yeah, this is another successful case study. And in case if you need a professional help regarding your Google ads, Google business profile, Google merchant center suspension, Google ads disapproval, or even Google ads management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we're going to help you in sorting out your errors, plus helping you in management, audit, and setup of your campaign. So yeah, we look forward to working with you. And in case you have any questions left regarding this case study, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer. Again, if you need a personal consultation, the link is also in the description for that as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video or case study like this, you guys can watch it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.